of time with them last night.
I really just threw up my bag.
Really?
I really just threw up my bag.
Who threw out your bag? What's the better question? Come on, bro. Give me crack your back?
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me.
You alright?
No.
You want some ibuprofen?
Steven went to try to go find some.
Hey.
Drive to work every
So, you got one man down. We got man down.
Fuck.
Tony's in pain.
I don't know how that shit happened, bro.
That's what happened when you're 6'6", 800 pounds.
Dude, I'm gonna try to get in it right now. We're gonna see.
So, Tony's damaged. You should see the other guy. Might I say, the other guy was a chair. Tony's not a good idea, bro.
Oh, shit.
Slow, bro, slow. You forget how to get in.
Because I don't know if you can drive, that's the thing. Yeah, you can swap car with me you want, but I think you still gotta go in. It's still tight, right?
Yeah, you drive my car. Honey, just drive my car, bro. Yeah, it's very stubborn, bro. Alright guys, I feel like deja vu because I feel like I've been here before.
We were here last week and I had the Aventador and I threw my back out, so I had to take Victor's Ferrari to get home.
That's why half of my clutch is right now missing, bro. So I'm gonna need a new clutch pretty soon.
You didn't even check your tires. I was doing burnouts.
I knew it. I knew it.
The back's still a little sore. I couldn't get in the Aventador, so I drove the 720 today. And
but he's not saying why his back is sore.
oh god.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Go on in, Houston.
He doesn't know this car. Come on, buddy. In. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Like, I don't know, Dad.
No, you got it. Come on.
Come on, Houston.
Let's go, buddy.
Hey, I gotta get a dog to drive around with on the channel, bro. So Houston is checking out the McLaren. We'll get a review from Houston later on how he likes the McLaren.
Here we go, guys. That's all about, bro. Getting some smiles for the kids, you know?
That's what it is. Hey. So we're here with the owner of Cars and Coffee, San Clemente. If you guys, they started, where did you guys start?
So the original version that we started at South OC Cars and Coffee was at Target in 2015 when Cars and Coffee at the Ford headquarters or Mazda headquarters closed down.
So don't let, she looks really nice, but this is the founder of the Tesla Club with all the cars. So how did it start? How did you guys come to be? Because you guys are huge now. How many members do you guys have now?
1,400 members.
1,400.
Well, California. So we have people from NorCal. We even have members from Arizona and Vegas.
We could do like the exotics and Tesla's going out. She does rallies too as well.
Yeah.
So it's really cool to go and do that.
Every kind of fun.
Well, this is amazing. And guess what car's hers, Guy? Just out of these right here, which one's hers? Yeah, that's hers. Her brand new wrap. That is incredible. It is great. How much maintenance the wood on this takes to maintain the shine, like this is crazy. Like, we appreciate all cars, but this is amazing. So Sky, this car, maybe we could ask him to open it up for you, but this car is super special. It is the most powerful car in here out of any of these cars. Yeah, I saw the car and I was like, where is he? I gotta go. That guy. Like, that guy you don't mess with, bro. He'll smoke you, he'll blow your doors off.
But it's easy to smoke you too as well. But I'm sure his car is really fast, bro.
This one is my fourth Viper. All right, so this one's got a F1X supercharger with a race pulley on it. The car makes just over 1,100 wheel horsepower. Nitrous will go on in about 2 weeks. We're looking at making it 1350 on a stock motor. It'll be the fastest stock motor blower Viper in the country. That's the plan. It'll probably do a low 9 or a high 8 on the quarter if I can launch it right. It's a big if.
Traction.
Well, we're in a Motec right now, so the Motec system.
Wow, you got
on
the
it,
full Motec standalone.
Yeah, we're doing a full Motec on it. It hooks. I can peg it in first gear and we stay straight. It's pretty interesting how it works.